Now let's talk about the Indian stock market. Something big is happening here. Money is flowing in at record levels and companies are rushing to be part of it. Big names, household brands and global giants, they all want a slice of India's financial energy. And they're doing it through something called the IPO. That's Initial Public Offering, IPO. It is when a company sells its shares to the public for the first time, the initial offering. Until that moment, the company is private. After it goes public, after it sells its shares, anyone, even small investors, can own a part of the company. The part that these investors own is called a share. If you buy a share, you own a small part of that company. This is how companies raise money to expand, and this is how investors become part of a company's future. Today, India is embracing this model like never before, and the numbers prove it. In just 9 months of this year, in the first 9 months of the year 2025, 79 companies have gone public in India, meaning 79 companies have launched an IPO this year. Together, they have raised $11.5 billion. And by the end of this year, this number could cross $20 billion. And October is shaping up to be the biggest month of all. IPOs worth more than $5 billion are hitting the market this month alone. In October, $5 billion. And two names have grabbed everyone's attention, Tata Capital and LG Electronics India. Tata Capital raised $1.7 billion. It is the largest IPO in India this year. And LG has emerged as a star of the show. It's India's second biggest appliance maker. Its public debut proved just how much investors believe in its future. The LG IPO was worth $1.3 billion and the demand was nothing short of extraordinary. Investors placed bids worth a staggering $50 billion. And when trading began today, LG stock took off. It surged by more than 50% on the first day. The company's market value hit over $13 billion, which is more than its parent company in South Korea. And it became the most successful IPO since 2021. The company's chairman said it was a defining moment in their history. Listen in.
Today's IPO is not just a financial milestone. It's a defining moment in our journey to become truly national company in India. Through our products and technologies, we will continue to bring convenience, innovation, and the joy to everyday life, strengthening our position as the country's most trusted home appliance brand.
That message shows what this IPO really means. It's not just a big stock market debut, it's a sign of how global companies now see India. For years, India was mainly a consumer market. Today, it is a center of capital. It's a place where companies don't just sell products, but also raise billions to build their future. Again, the numbers prove it. The scale of demand is huge, the speed of subscription is rapid, and the size of those deals is proof that investors trust India's growth story. But what explains this trend? Well, three things. One, the growing domestic investors. Millions of Indians now invest in the stock market. Some buy shares directly, others invest through mutual funds. Domestic investors have put over $63 billion into the market this year. This keeps money moving into IPOs even when foreign investors pull back. The second reason is India's economic growth. India is the fastest or one of the fastest growing major economies in the world. Strong domestic demand is driving that growth. And a young workforce is fueling it further. Companies need money to expand here. They need funds to build factories. They need capital to create jobs, and they need investment to scale operations. Investors want to be part of that story. Then we have strong profits and tax cuts. They're also boosting confidence. The third reason is the rising policy support. Regulators have made it easier for big companies to go public in India. Even the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, India's central bank, has relaxed rules for IPO investors. So all of this has created the perfect environment for new listings. And the results are clear. India is now the fourth busiest IPO market in the world. It could even surpass last year's record of $21 billion, and the pipeline is still full. Pine Labs, ICICI Prudential AMC, Lenskart and PhonePe, these companies will are the next in line for a debut. So LG's IPO is not just a story of one company's success. It is a story of Indian markets, of how far they've come and how they're being powered by a fast-growing economy.
Want the facts?
The latest developments?
News that gets straight to the point.
Well, we've got all three just for you. This is Firstpost Live, a brand new show, your window into what really matters.
Don't miss it.